Alright, what's up, guys? So we just went and picked up, what do you call it? Trailer hitch thingy?
Yeah, a little trailer ball receiver.
Then we're gonna go yank this boat out, see if we can clean it up and
It's been parked there for like 2 years. You're gonna have to get it out.
ready, man.
And then we're gonna yank it out, clean it up, see if she'll fire up, and then flip her for a profit. So let's go get to
We'll
that.
get the $50 boat. This thing's covered by like freaking Jumanji.
Is both of them? Is that tire flat?
No.
No.
A little, maybe a little.
The other one is.
How do we get this out of here? Pull the back of it?
Bump up the other tire, have them see if we can
Pull the back of it?
pull it. Let's see if we can manpower it out.
Let me just get the Jeep up here.
Huh?
Just get the Jeep up here?
Let's try it. Let's pump up the tire. If it'll pump up, if not, we gotta switch it. And then we'll pull this, push this back in here. And then as soon as we can get it to here, we can just flip the nose of it around. So as soon as it goes back 4 feet.
Alright, so let's pump the tire up.
Yeah. Alrighty, we got Alec pumping up the tire right there.
Can't really tell if it's pumping.
Here's the boat. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys it. I bought it 2 years ago at an auction. It's a little Bayliner Jazz jet boat. It's got like a 90 horse sport jet 2-stroke in her. And I bought her for 50 bucks. And then, so I got it. Then I thought for sure the motor would be locked up and stuff.
We just thought it was we just bought it and thought it was a piece of crap boat.
Yeah, we
Didn't
just
think anything of it.
we bought it for fun. Did a challenge. When I put a wrench on this thing, it actually turned over. So I went and got I tried to start it, obviously wouldn't fire.
Speed might be off.
And then so I cleaned out. I pulled off all 3 of the carbs, completely cleaned them through. And then, well, actually before that, to see if it'd fire, we were using some 2-stroke, some premix in a bottle, spraying it into in here, and no, we had this cover off, this cover right here, so we were spraying it directly into the carbs through the air intake, and the freaking thing caught on fire. It went everywhere, everything went up in flames. About the fastest I've ever ran to get something. But got that out real quick, and then threw the carbs on it, threw some 2-stroke in it, and cranked her up about 2 months ago, and she fired right up, so hopefully she's still running. But we don't really got a use for it right now because we got the kayaks to go fishing on and the big boat to go play on. So we're gonna sell her and maybe find another project for you guys.
Quick flip.
Yep, quick flip, make some cash, and then
I guess not quick in that for 2 years.
yeah, definitely not quick, but we're getting around to it. So get her sold this weekend, hopefully, then maybe get a new project for you guys. But yeah, that's that. I don't know if we're gonna clear this tree. Hold on. Alright, keep going. We're good. Need to start pushing this to record, man.
Okay, back up and
I'll just actually walk yours.
Good. Gotta open the gate first so it's easier. Alright, help me pull. Can I push? Slow, straight back. Okay, pull forward. It's not like on, but we'll fix it. Just go straight. Straight or straight out. Slow. Keep going. My bad. Sorry, I'm retarded. Fell off. Because I forgot to latch it. Okay, let's change this bad boy real quick. This boat is so sick.
Get it? So was the dirt though. Just get a run at it.
A run?
Huh?
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, but gas obviously. Do not freaking throw rocks at the boat.
is happening? Oh yeah, here we go. She's up. Hold on one second, let me watch the trailer. Alright, you're good. Keep going. Just like that, we're out of there. Nice and easy like.
We forgot to film an outro, so I guess here we go. And I forgot to film the guy driving away. So we ended up selling it. We listed it for a day and ended up selling it later that day for $1,000, I think. $1,000 or $1,100. I'm not sure. But just letting you guys know that we got sold and we're on the next one.